Darshan yao baba. So yeah, this is goat heart, mammalian heart. Okay, so it's similar in structure to human heart. We are the same class of organism, right? Okay, so look at these lumen space. These are veins. Okay, veins have large lumen, right? These, you see these holes. These are arteries. Notice that the wall are thick. Arterial walls are thick. Okay, now and this one is right vena cava. Here, deoxygenated blood gets poured in. Okay, well, auricle, the upper chamber are destroyed on the right side. Here, that segment is present. Okay, all right. I got this from shop. Okay, meat shop. All right. So this is uh, what do you call superior vena cava. Okay, deoxygenated blood gets poured in. This one here is pulmonary vein. Okay, once the blood gets into the heart, it gets pushed down in the right ventricle. Right now, through the right ventricle, blood comes to the lungs. See, notice how when I insert my finger through this vein, which is pulmonary artery, see, here is the connection. So this one I said is the vena cava, right? It leads to the right uh, what do you call, yeah, right section of the heart. Yeah, you got me. Now this one here, this large thing, this is pulmonary vein. From the lungs, the blood gets oxygenated and gets poured in the auricle, right? Now notice when I poke in my finger through this artery, this is aorta. Okay, can you see my finger? Yeah, and I can poke through down in the ventricle region here. And see, can you see? This is left ventricle here. Okay, yeah. All right. So now let's cut through this heart and see the sections. Okay. So this is the cut section of the heart. We can see string-like structures inside. These are called chordae tendini, and they help in the and these chordae tendini, they help in maintaining the position of atrioventricular valve. Here I am pointing at right ventricle. Its wall, it's thick. This is to withstand the pressure exerted by the ventricle while pumping the blood to different parts of the body. This is all that I could record during my dissection session. Thank you.